Masquera say Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana kariki kutanga kukuya paneno channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana uchingwa galoka subscriber, don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi Zimbabwe takwigirai nyaya kunetsa nyaya pisa ma streets ya social media nyaya irutaura iyo ichinzi helicopter crash yakaitika kumasvingo yaspaka ma speculations between Mnangagwa and Chiwenga's power struggles and succession battles. This helicopter crash yakaitika kumasvingo mse Sunday yawedza ma speculations about Hondo kuitika mbato REZANU-PF. This incident yakaitika after the Munumutapa Day celebration Yakonzeresa kuti vanhu vawedzere the discussion on the increasing rift between President NaMnangagwa and his deputy Vice President Chiwenga. The Minister of Information, Publicity and Broadcasting Services, Dr. Jane Van Muswere, vakakonfirma kuti this helicopter crash yakaitika due to a technical fault, and vakataura that this helicopter was not carrying the president. President vakange attend a ceremony with the First Lady, Dr. Auxilia Mnangagwa, pamwechete nemamwe masenior officials aisanganisira the ZANU-PF Chairperson and Minister of Defense, Comrade Opamchinguri Kashiri. The Civil Aviation Authority of Zimbabwe yakalauncha an investigation into the incident. Vachitora ivo vachiti hapana mafatalities ati aripotwa asi zvisinei the cause yet this crash ichiri kuinvestigatwa. So this crash has only added fuel to my ongoing speculations about the ZANU-PF internal dynamics and succession battles. And funga panimera kunetsa ya Vice President Chiwenga avaimboonekwa vana President Emmerson Mnangagwa during every government and party event kutaurwa tiri kuita. He has been absent from my key gatherings weeks apura. Funga Chiwenga varkunzi vakaramba kuatenda the Munumutapa Day celebration. Vachitaura ivo vachiti he was in Magwegwe kuBulawayo uko kwakurira mukadzi wavo. Vachitaura ivo vachiti masources achitaura iye achiti he snubbed the dynastic celebration. So his absence yaka-interpretwa nema-political observers say a significant rejection yaMnangagwa's leadership and the so-called dynasty within ZANU-PF. And funga mshure mekunge President Emmerson Mnangagwa vabva kuChina parikunzi pane ma-misunderstandings akaripotwa between vaMnangagwa and vaChiwenga. So vaChiwenga vakaonekwa zvakare vari absent to the pre-Cape Farm event, zvakare vakazvi-excusa from the Mnangagwa's birthday celebration yakaitikwa kumasvingo. Zvakare varikunzi vakaramba kuakampana President Emmerson Mnangagwa to a high-profile event yakaitika kuVictoria Falls. So kushaikwa kwaitwa Vice President Chiwenga ma-events aya kuri kuita sekunge vaviri ava havachaonani. Ma-sources within ZANU-PF akataura ivo achiindicata kuti in response President Emmerson Mnangagwa vakawanikwa vachipa mamwe ma-responsibilities to ma-ministers. For example, the official opening of the Mbudzi interchange, an event iyo yawanzo kuonekwa either vaMnangagwa or vaChiwenga vachienda yaka-assignwa to the transport minister Felix Mona. So the timing absence ya vaChiwenga yakonzeresa vanhu vakawanda kuti vataura ivo vachiti iri linked to the succession battle. VaMnangagwa vari kunzi is seeking a constitutional amendment to extend his presidency until 2030. Vari kunzi havasi kuwirirana navaChiwenga avo vari kuzvidistansa from the third term extension. The situation iri kuwedzera nekuda kwema-open discussions arimo muZANU-PF, ma-factions arimo. Funga the ZANU-PF iri kuprepare for their annual conference next month. The Women's League iri kutaura iyo ichiti they want vaChiwenga kuti vabve pachigaro vareplaced ne-female vice president, then Vakembo Muhadi varambe varipo vachirepresenta the Matabeleland region reZimbabwe. This development iri kunzi inaomira mushe yakonzeresa kuti pave nefaction from the Chiwenga side varikutaura vachiti they want Vice President Constantino Chiwenga kuti varambe kuti vatore upresidency. Inaomira mushe the helicopter crash iyi yakasparka mafears the assassination attempt mune Zimbabwe given political history yemuno muZimbabwe. Tofunga takaona mugore 2018 President Emmerson Mnangagwa wakasurvive an assassination attempt apakandwa grenade kurali yekubulawayo. Kunyange zvazvo vamuswere vakataura vachiti the crash was a result of a technical fault. The timing yaraiza eyebrows among political analysts avo vakabuda vachitaura ivo vachinotisa a rift between Mnangagwa and Chiwenga. Tofunga nyaya netsa ndeyemasvingo. Masvingo nzvimbo yakaitika this crash iri kunzi the region is a stronghold for both Mnangagwa and Chiwenga. So azvinaomira mushe tisingazive kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi nyaya yabuditswa net Zimbabwean Mail on their official website vachitaura vachiti a helicopter crash in Masvingo on Sunday has heightened speculation about internal power struggles within the ruling party's ZANU-PF party. The incident, which occurred shortly after Monumutapa Day celebration, has sparked new discussions on the increasingly visible rift between Mnangagwa and his deputy, Constantino Chiwenga. The Minister of Information, Publicity and Broadcasting Services, Dr. Jenfan Muswere, confirmed that the helicopter, which crash-landed due to a technical fault, was not carrying President Mnangagwa. The President had earlier attended the ceremony with the First Lady, Dr. Auxilia Mnangagwa, along with other senior officials, including ZANU-PF Chairperson and Minister of Defense, Comrade Opa Muchinguri Kashiri. The Civil Aviation Authority of Zimbabwe has launched an investigation into the incident, though no fatalities were reported. However, while the official cause is still being investigated, the crash has only added fuel to the ongoing speculation about ZANU-PF's internal dynamics and succession battles. The Vice President Chiwenga, once seen side by side with Mnangagwa at nearly every government and party event, has been conspicuously absent from key gatherings in recent weeks. Chiwenga diplomatically declined to attend the Monumutapa Day celebration, stating he was in Magwegwe, Bulawayo, where his wife grew up, instead of participating in what some inside sources have dubbed dynastic celebrations. His absence is being interpreted by political observers as a subtle but significant rejection of Mnangagwa's leadership and the so-called dynasty within ZANU-PF. In the wake of Mnangagwa's return from China, a series of misunderstandings have reportedly ensued between two leaders. Chiwenga notably snubbed the recent pre-camp farm event, excused himself from Mnangagwa's birthday celebrations, and refused to accompany the president to a high-profile event in Victoria Falls. These absences mark a stark contrast from previous years when the two appeared inseparable, fueling rumors of an intensifying rift. Sources within ZANU-PF indicate that Mnangagwa, in response to Chiwenga's repeated absences, has begun to delegate responsibilities to other ministers. For instance, the official opening of the Mbudzi interchange, an event that would typically feature either Mnangagwa or Chiwenga, was assigned to Transport Minister Felix Mona. Succession tensions. The timing of these absences has only deepened suspicions about Chiwenga's ambitions and the looming ZANU-PF succession battle. Mnangagwa is rumored to be seeking a constitutional amendment to extend his presidency until 2030, a move that is met with quiet resistance from within the party. Chiwenga, widely regarded as Mnangagwa's key rival, appears to be distancing himself as these tensions come to a head. The situation has become even more precarious, with factions within the ZANU-PF party openly discussing replacing Chiwenga. As ZANU-PF prepares for its annual conference next month, the Women's League has reportedly called for Chiwenga's ouster, advocating for a female vice president instead. This development is seen as a strategic move by those resisting what they perceive as Mnangagwa's attempt to build a dynasty, where power would remain in the hands of a select group of loyalists, potentially sidelining Chiwenga and his faction. Fears of assassination attempts. The helicopter crash has also sparked fears of assassination attempts given Zimbabwe's tumultuous political history and Mnangagwa's past experiences. The president narrowly survived an assassination attempt in 2018 when a grenade exploded at a rally in Bulawayo, while Minister Muswere has insisted that the crash was the result of a technical fault. The timing has raised eyebrows among political analysts who note that the rift between Mnangagwa and Chiwenga has become more pronounced in recent months. The province of Masvingo, where the crash occurred, has long been a political background for factions within ZANU-PF. Historically, Masvingo has been a stronghold for both Mnangagwa and Chiwenga aligned groups, making the helicopter crash in the area particularly significant. As the party prepares for a crucial conference next month, the power struggle between Mnangagwa and Chiwenga camps is expected to intensify, with both sides vying for control over key provinces like Masvingo. As the CAAZ continues its investigations into the helicopter crash, the incident has only deepened concerns about political stability in Zimbabwe. With the ZANU-PF annual conference on the horizon, the internal divisions within the ruling party appear to be widening, casting uncertainty over the country's leadership and its future direction. The public and party insiders alike are left wondering whether the once unified front between Mnangagwa and Chiwenga is irreparably fractured, and whether Zimbabwe is headed for a new chapter of political realignment. Nyaya buditswa mari Zimbabwe neri Zimbabwe mail tisingazive kuti munona sei nyaya iyi tiudzewo zvamuri kufunga mu comment section.